welcome back. In today's video I'm going to tell you few simple ways through which you can style your winter muffler during this winter season. You will look super chic and stylish in this winter mufflers, and plus it will also keep you warm and super cozy. So let's begin. Style is quite simple. Divide your scarf into half using your hand. Then the only thing you need to do is to wrap around at the back of your neck, set your hairs, and here is the first look. Now make them equal. This is a quite simple and elegant look which you can make. For second look, I'm going to spread my scarf a little bigger. Like I'm going to spread it maximum, to spread it as much as I can. Then I'm going to put it around my shoulders, and this is my second look. Third look, I'm going to leave my this side a little shorter. Now I'm going to wrap the other side all over my neck, fluffier, and then I'm going to tie my other side, and this is the third style which you can make with this scarf. For fourth style, again you have to divide your scarf into two halves, and I'm putting my hand on the closer end. So now I'm going to put my closer end over on my one side and my tail on other side. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my tail side in the closer end and make a knot. It will give you a very warm and cozy look, and it will look very nice with coats and jacket. So here we get the knot look, Persian knot look. So set your hair a little bit, and this look is done. Next style, I'm going to use this scarf. I'm going to leave a very little scarf on this side. Then on other side, I'm going to wrap it around my neck. Now I'm going to pull this side a little bit. Then I'm going to tuck in my scarf from this side, one tuck. Now again I'm going to tuck in, and now I'm going to keep tucking as much as I can. So now I'm going to secure at the end. Now I'm going to set my scarf a little bit, and this is kind of braided look. So hope you will try these looks. So this is how it's look like around your neck. It will also keep you warm, and you will look stylish and chic at the same time. Another style which you can make with this similar pattern is that keep your this wrap as it is. Now I'm going to make a one knot from this side and one knot from another side. So, and then I'm going to make another knot from the front side, and that's how it's make a double knot. So this is how it's look like, and you can make it on your jeans jackets or denim jackets or leather jacket as well. Style is also very simple. Just put your scarf around your neck. Now the only thing you need to do is to make one tie at the front, and it should be straight. So try to make it straight as possible. Now pull your scarf from underneath and from above. Just you just need to make this style and put it under your trench coat or your jacket. Your scarf will remain secure and it will not move here and there. So it's quite simple and quite appropriate for your trench coats and jackets. And at the end, I would like to show you styling with the infinity or closed muffler. It is quite simple to style with this kind of muffler. The only thing you need is to put it around your neck. Then make one other fold. You just need to fold once only. And now set your infinity scarf. And you are ready to go. It will look quite nice and stylish and kind of a teenage girl style. Hope girls you have enjoyed all the styles which I have made with the winter mufflers. So hope you will try, and don't forget to comment your favorite muffler style in the comments box. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.